The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette redefines the boundaries of high-performance driving with unmatched engineering and cutting-edge technology. As the latest evolution of America's iconic sports car, the 2025 Corvette combines striking design, raw power, and advanced features to deliver an exhilarating driving experience that sets a new standard in the automotive world. Under the hood, the 2025 Corvette boasts a potent 6.2-liter V8 engine, generating 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque in the base Stingray model, with the option for even greater performance through the Z06 variant, which increases horsepower to an astonishing 670, making it one of the most powerful Corvettes ever built. This power is complemented by a refined 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring quick gear shifts and seamless acceleration. The Corvette's mid-engine layout provides an unparalleled balance of weight distribution, enhancing cornering and handling capabilities, allowing drivers to feel fully connected to the road. On the exterior, the 2025 Corvette embraces its bold, aerodynamic design, featuring sharp lines, aggressive curves, and signature lighting elements, all contributing to its commanding presence. The cockpit of the Corvette is a blend of luxury and functionality, offering a driver-focused interior with premium materials, intuitive controls, and advanced tech, including a customizable digital display and a high-performance infotainment system. The advanced suspension system and magnetic ride control technology ensure a smooth and precise ride, adapting to road conditions for optimal comfort and control. The Corvette's performance is further refined by a range of driving modes, including a track-ready mode for those seeking to push the car to its limits on the racetrack, while everyday driving is enhanced by features like adaptive cruise control and a host of safety technologies that make this car as smart as it is fast. The 2025 Corvette is also future-ready, with the latest connectivity options, including wireless smartphone integration, allowing drivers to stay connected on the go. With a sleek modern design, exceptional performance capabilities, and a price tag that offers incredible value for the level of sophistication and power it delivers, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette continues to be a symbol of American automotive excellence, proving that high performance isn't just about speed. It's about a complete driving experience that engages the senses and pushes the limits of what a sports car can be. Whether on the open road or carving through tight corners, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette offers a thrilling ride that solidifies its place as one of the finest performance cars in the world, capturing the spirit of speed, innovation, and American craftsmanship in one extraordinary package.